a comfortable, minimal living space by getting away from modern city life. Of course, we can feel nature and have the opportunity to live wherever we want. Building a tiny house offers the opportunity to live freely. Tiny house in the forest with 2 floors, built with economic benefits, in any size and designed to your liking. That also takes into account your budget. Can build with 2 floors. Solar panels meet your electricity needs and allow you to consume renewable energy. All usage areas can be designed based on efficient energy consumption. Instead of worrying about expenses, you can spend some great time alone with nature. Hopefully the tiny house in this video can inspire.